Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the desktop version of the Contractor Inductions module. This module facilitates storage and management of information relating to induction of individuals associated with contractors who access the workplace, including the option to store qualifications with expiry reminders and to assign responsibility for management to users with manager level access to this module. Like all system modules, the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels that are controlled in the user management module. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as all modules in the system. Below the module name and icon are the main controls. In this case, a link back to the Contractor Management homepage, the option to add a new record, and the option to export all module data in a CSV file. To the right are the module help notes and a link to this video tutorial. Any records added prior to March 16, 2016 will be contained in this archive, accessible underneath the help area via the archive icon. Archive records can be edited, they can be viewed and exported. However, not all the functionality contained in the current Contractor Induction module is available for archived records. And below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list and in the column headings allow you to search, filter and export and sort the list according to various criteria. When exporting the list, you have the option to pick the different fields that are included in the resulting export file, just as you do when you're using the main module export. Mousing over the Actions icon displays the various options for managing existing records in this module. To add a new contractor induction, click the plus icon, which in turn displays the Contractor Induction form. Selecting the up icon at the top of the form returns to the list view, but it doesn't save the record. Below the form help information, the first three fields in the details area, the date created, the author and the responsible manager, which defaults to the author for all new records, are pre-populated. Placing your cursor in the Change Responsible Manager field displays the list of users with manager level access to this module. Entering the relevant manager's name narrows the option for selection. When you reassign responsibility, the new managers selected, their first and last name appear below the input area. Whenever a record is saved and responsibility is reassigned, the new responsible user receives an email alert. The induction status must be set to current to enable all expiry alerts related to this record at the bottom of the form, as the field tooltip explains. Setting this contractor induction to inactive disables all email alerts for all individual qualifications, regardless of whether individual reminders are turned on or off. The compulsory contractor name field is required to associate the induction with a contractor identification record, which must have been created prior to this in the contractor identification module. The induction details area of the form allows addition of information relevant to the induction, and at the bottom of the form, the inductee qualification details allows for addition of one or more qualifications. To save the hassle of creating new contractor induction records each time a qualification expires, and to cater for different types of contractor qualifications, multiple qualifications can be added to this part of the form. When adding a qualification, to create an expiry reminder, leave the reminder option set to on, and as long as the induction status remains current and the related contractor identification record remains active, the system will then place a contractor qualification expiry reminder on the relevant date in the responsible manager's activity calendar, which is accessible via the dashboard on their workplace homepage. The contractor qualification record can then be edited directly from either the calendar reminder or the contractor induction module, and the expired qualification reminder turned off and replaced with a new qualification reminder. Remember, the form must be saved each time that it's updated. And that concludes this tutorial. For more information, please refer to the module help notes at any time. Thanks for watching.